Welcome, my love. So if this is your first time stopping by, you want to stay, you want to watch this video to the end. So today I'm going to be doing something different. This is also going to be like a hair video, but I wanted to make it like a hair vlog kind of video, if you get what I mean, because I got a feedback from someone, like a subscriber, saying that, oh, I'm no longer like doing vlogs on my channel, that I've just been doing like hair tutorials and stuff. But there's actually a reason for that. I'm trying to get this channel monetized, so I had to change the strategy to focus on hair content. It's apparently giving me more views, so I'm trying to like get more views to be able to get the required hours to become monetized. I want this channel to become monetized. That is the goal. So making hair videos is also something that I like to do, but my hair videos tend to do more better than the normal vlogs that I do. So that's why I've been concentrating on doing the hair videos. But don't worry, I'm going to be making a headband wig today. So instead of making it in like just the normal tutorials that I do, so this is going to be like a hair vlog. And yeah, so hopefully I'll come on here more often, show my face more often, so that you guys don't get disconnected from me. So let's get down to the business of today. I am going to be making a headband wig, like I said earlier. Instead of using the normal braiding extension, I'm going to be using the Brazilian wool for the headband wig. So I don't know if you guys can see. This is, yeah, so this is focused now. So this is a Brazilian wool. I got this one for £3.99. Yeah, and I got 2 of this, so this should be enough for the headband wig that I want to make. So I have the nets that I'm going to be using for the wig. I got this Brazilian wool from the beauty supply store, and I got this one online from Temu. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is the band at the front, and the back is just basically net, and it comes with a, is it called latch? I don't know what it's called. Then the only other thing that I need is my crochet pin, my scissors, and the Shockwaves hemorrhoids from Wella. What I'm going to do right now is to set up my mannequin on the table. So I just have my work table just by the side here, and this is where I'm going to set up to show you guys how I am making the wig. Is the Brazilian wool prepped now, and this is the length that I have cut it into. This is what I'm going to use to add moisture to the Brazilian wool. So this is a mix of leave-in conditioner, water, and castor oil. This is about the size that I'm going to be using, just very small. So just take your crochet pin and insert through one hole like this. When you do that, you take the hair itself and then you place the hair just through the pin, you lock it, and then you stretch out from the other side. You pull the hair out, and then you take all of this hair here on the left side and you put it through the hole, and then you just stretch out. Trying to make it as neat as possible. Right, so that one is done, and I'm just going to repeat the process until I have covered as much holes as I can. I'm going to go again, another hole. Just take the hair and place it through the hole. and then you stretch out. Pull out, take the hair, you place it through the hole, and then you stretch out. What I like to do to make the process very neat is that I start from the back, which is what I am doing right now, and then I install in lines, like in sections, and I just keep doing that until I get to the top. Installing the Brazilian wool on the wig cap, and this is what I have. This is just the back view. I'm going to show you guys the front view, okay? But I think that when I was installing this wig, I did not take into consideration the length at the back, and I feel like the back is too long. It's kind of like longer than like the hair at the front, right? So that I should have cut a shorter length and use that shorter length for the back so that we have like an even length. But what I'm just going to do now is to trim the back. So I'm just going to trim just slightly. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to curl the hair, and to curl the hair I'm going to braid the hair in sections and dip in hot water. Dipped in hot water now, and I'm just going to apply my hair mousse from Wella. I'll just shake this before. I'm going to go dry this off camera and then come back and wear it so that you guys can see what it looks like. This is my final result, and this is what it's looking like. If I just bring it close for you to see. And this is the back. This is the inside. Alright, so I'm just gonna wear this now to show you the final look. But yeah, I'm proud of my results. The texture of the Brazilian wool combined with the chorus is kind of like giving like kinky extension. To be honest, it's not that bad. I don't think it's that bad. I just need to style it properly, but this is what the back is looking like at the moment. Like, I can try styling it like this to the side as well to see what it looks like. My first time using a Brazilian bowl, it's not bad. to be honest, I did not expect it to turn out like this. I'm even surprised that it's like this. And if I'm serious, please try to model this look very well. Hey, I've been 16 years, I better be like this year. What is this beauty? Before I go, I want to show you one quick hack, okay? You saw the way I wore the headband all the way to my face, like it wasn't looking really nice. So what I did was to fold the headband inside, and then I brushed my hair. I don't want to apply any gel to my edges because it's like evening time already, but what you can do is to like lay your edges with your gel, and then you can fold the headband inside. That way the wig looks more realistic and doesn't look like it's obvious that it's a headband wig. Of course it's a headband wig, okay, but folding it inside and then having your edges brushed and laid would make the wig look more nicer. And I wore the hair back in center part, and this is what it's looking like. I think I prefer it this way now that the band is folded inside, and it's not bad, honestly. It's not bad. A baby girl is looking like a princess. It's not bad. Let me know what you think about this headband wig. Is this something that you're going to try? So we've come to the end of this video. Do not forget to like this video before you go, okay? It would help this video to reach a wider audience. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe. What are you waiting for? Subscribe, 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 subscribe now if you want to join the family. Please stay safe and take care of yourselves, my loves, okay? I'll see you guys next time.